Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome to more RCV reviews, and in this video I am more excited than I was excited to review the WPL D12, which is a Suzuki super carry, and it has a very beautiful childhood memory associated with me. But this has even more beautiful memory for me, and Suzuki Jimny. Yes, Suzuki Jimny is one of my most favorite off-roader or vehicle that I really want to own in my life. Now, I did have a Suzuki Jimny in Dubai. When I spent 2 years in Dubai, I did buy a brand new Suzuki Jimny, which was, I believe, 2017-2018 model, and I took it off-road, and that thing was like a camel in desert, never got stuck ever. So Suzuki Jimny is my personal favorite vehicle, and I'm very happy that Xiaomi has released an intelligent, the all-new 2020 version of this legendary off-road vehicle, the Suzuki Jimny. Now, this is the box. You can see this is a 2020 model of Suzuki Jimny, which again, I really want to buy this in real life. I simply love the looks, ruggedness, and the legendary four-wheel drive off-road performance on this vehicle. How it's packed: there is a user manual. See if the user manual is in English or not. There's user manual, and there are some stickers as well. As you can clearly see, Suzuki Jimny, one of my most favorite vehicles that I really want to own. Okay, all Chinese people right here, and all Chinese right here. Now, one thing you do want to notice that there is no radio control in this box. Why? Because this is an intelligent Suzuki Jimny model which you will drive using your smartphone apps. So here it is. This is how it's packed. Let me just remove the box. The way they have packed it and the way I'm unboxing it, I'm feeling excited like I've got a real one. You can only imagine how much I love this vehicle in my real life. Behold, people, ta-da, check this out. I'm simply loving the color on this. I wish I had this color and this 2020 model of Suzuki Jimny in real life. So this is the front, right, back, and left. Very detailed replica, very nice details on the body as well. Everything is reproduced really nicely, as you can see. The shell is absolutely with all the details of a real vehicle. Very nicely produced. On the bottom right here, the motor, universal drive shafts for front and rear axles. Yes, this is four-wheel drive, people. A Suzuki Jimny model and you don't get it in four-wheel drive, not gonna happen. Straight axles, just like the real model. The only thing that worries me are these plastic parts. I'm hoping that these plastic parts will survive for a while. The internal battery is possibly right here, and the battery charging Very, very smart. They put the battery charging connector like an exhaust of the Suzuki Jimny right here. Okay, there is a suspension on it, spring-loaded shocks, front and rear, 4 spring-loaded shocks, and a servo that you can see down there. So this is a complete proportional steering, given that this is a phone-driven model. Yes, sorry that I missed. Here is the charger, because you do have the exhaust charging port, this, and connected to USB power outlet. So when you connect the charger, by the way, this is not the charger, this is a charger for another product. This charger, which is a direct USB line going to the exhaust of Suzuki Jimny right here, and you can see the button lights up, the on-off switch lights up. That shows that it's charging. And start your app. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Just like a dashboard from a high-end car. Bluetooth is on. It has found the Jimny. Click on it. So this is the app. You can see you have throttle and steering, which you can switch throttle here and steering there. This seems to be the battery of the car. Then you can limit the speed. Okay, you can also disable the braking, the ESC braking. All right, and here you can set the steering trim and steering rate, and you can also reverse the steering and throttle. First, let me just show you the settings. In the settings, you have preferences, where you can set left steering or right steering, language, Chinese and English, tutorial, version update, and about. And this steering wheel here actually shows some of the pictures and some kind of, like speed, acceleration control, cross country. I'm not sure what this is, if these are kind of like features or traits of the Suzuki Jimny, or they will keep improving based on your driving. I'm not very sure, because the user manual is completely in Chinese. So you can see you can drive it nice and slow. Controls are very proportional. Look at that, how nice and proportional steering it. Okay, so basically you can actually control it really nice with your phone. A little bit getting used to it. Now, here is the thing. This is the part that I said I love about it. So when you click this, it goes into gyro mode, phone gyro mode, and now you just have speed control, forward and backward. But what about the steering? Your phone becomes your steering, see? It's like driving a real Jimny. So when you push forward, you can actually turn your phone. Look at that. And your phone gyro actually controls the steering. Okay, come on Jimny, maybe too much steering. And tires are very, very grippy tires, and that is why it sometimes struggles to turn around. But you can see what I'm talking about, right? It's just like driving a real car with your phone as a steering. This is what I love about it. Okay, so now we have set a very little course for this car, for Suzuki Jimny. It's our indoor off-road course. As you can see here, Mary is showing you. We will start from here, go all the way up on the kitty scratch boards. I hope it can climb on this skateboard and all the way up. Hope it has enough power. Some off-road, I hope it can do it. Not very sure, but we can ease it for it. Then we have a big bridge for the Jimny, coming down all the way back here on the pillows. So here we go. pure four-wheel drive power. She's following the same track like Jimny's doing. Kitties are in hunting mode for Suzuki Jimny, the Xiaomi Suzuki Jimny. She's not too scared, right? Okay, she's not too scared now. That's good. But this one is still scared. She always runs away. Kitties are still very, very curious about this little vehicle. I'm simply loving this steering control on the phone.